That's an interesting place to park. Right across the junction. Motorbike parked on the pavement there. Another motorbike parked on the pavement there. Scumbag's parked his van on the pavement again. Oh, that's an interesting bit of parking. And there's one parked on the pavement there. Motorbike parked on the pavement. Motorbike parked on the pavement. Oh, only 6 there for one parked on the pavement. That's an interesting place to park. There we go. Could have parked right there, but prefers to park in the middle of the road. And there we have some crap parking. Look at that. You've got all the doors open for maximum obstruction. And there's one parked on the pavement as usual. Motorbike parked on the pavement there. There's a double bill of parking there, 2 of them on the pavement. Police again, parked in the cycle lane on a red route. Such a scummy bunch. Oh, you've got a motorbike parked on the pavement there. Oh, that's a clever bit of parking there on the pavement. And we've got some crap parking there, forcing oncoming traffic into the contraflow cycle lane. That's an unusual place to park. There we go, nice place to park there. But the white van wanker parks in the middle of the road. Fucking bellet. Bloody hell. How's that for a bloody stupid place to park? Motorbike parked on the pavement there. Oh, that's a clever place to park. One, 2, 3. Triple helping of crap parking. Bloody morons. Oh, that's an interesting place to park. And not looking before opening the doors either. And there's a bonus bit of crap parking as well. Moron. Well, nice big parking space there and there, but this one parks in the middle of the road. What a plonker. That's an interesting place to park. And there we have some crap parking. There he is again, forcing traffic into the contraflow cycle lane.